Hey friends, happy Monday in the Midwest. I'm announcing my workshop. I can't wait. And it has a little bit of a different twist. Instead of the listen to your body, follow your spark, find your spark, follow your dreams. Bah, that's not it, Lindy. Hello, friends. Happy Monday in the Midwest, at least. It's exciting. I am doing another workshop and I'm doing it with a different twist, with a lot of bit more focus on success, achieving your dreams, whatever that is, and always striving for more. And so this workshop is called Made for More. And it's so interesting. So as I started brainstorming names, I come up with this many 5 million different options for names. And I struggled finding like the name that encompasses what we want, but we may be afraid to admit it. And so it brings me back into like how I felt when I was in elementary school and when I graduated from chiropractic school. I had this vision and I was very clear about what that vision was. And it was only a few years later and I realized like, wow, I created this whole thing. And it wasn't even conscious. Yes, it totally was because I had it written down and so on and so forth. But sometimes you don't realize that writing down and drawing out that crystal clear vision and path and roadmap will actually get you there. What does somebody say? 70 to 80% of the time the goal is met when you write it down, or it's more likely when you write it down. And so I started thinking about this made for more quote or thought, and how often do we feel guilty that we want more, or feel greedy and selfish? And maybe your friend's like, holy man, Tiff, like when is enough enough? Or maybe your mother-in-law says, you've been really busy, you haven't been around very much. Are you sure this is what you should be doing? Or maybe your kids are like, are you ever going to be home for supper again? Whatever the thing may be, there's a very small percentage of people who go after what they feel like they were put on this earth for. And it is important to mentor with those people, to have those people coach you and lead you and kind of be that beacon of light. I've had that, I don't know, since I've been young, and I didn't pay for coaches and mentors through parents and people in my life that paved that way on entrepreneurship and leadership. And like never quitting, that if you have a goal and you have a dream, you just go get that because I know you can do that. That's the space that I grew up in. And I understand some people don't, but you need to find the people who are doing it better than you, 1 step ahead, 5 steps ahead, 10 steps ahead. And because of those people, I've realized, man, all I really want is to help people see the light, the spark, the gifts, and the genius inside of them. And I've done that through chiropractic for 15 years, as we know. And in the last year, especially since, well, the last few years, but especially since COVID, I'm like, you know what? How can I not only impact one-to-one? So how can I not only be adjusting one person at a time, but how can I help more people at once by my experiences? Really, that's all it is what have I gone through? What have I learned? What do I know to be true? And I think being mentored and being coached by so many people, I've been able to see, I've been able to avoid a few of the hurdles that maybe wouldn't have been needed to be part of my journey. And I think that's part of following and learning from people, is seeing like, wow, what have they created? What have they done? What could I maybe avoid in my pitfalls, right? And then figuring out, this is my journey. I'm just going to keep going. How do you know intuitively when to keep going and when to stop? How do you know what to do when you have that T in the road and you're just required to either turn right or left? You're not really sure. What strategies do you have? What success tactics do you have? How can you build a business? How can you build a practice? How can you move up in the corporate ladder? How can you make more money, have better relationships, communicate better? All of the things that I've learned, I want to teach more and help more, so that when 2020 happens, as it's happened, because we're going to have more years that are sucky, that we have enough tools in our toolbox to shift and to pivot. And you know in your heart that you have way too many freaking gifts to just fold. You can't throw in the towel at this moment. You need to keep going. Now, that may mean the path may look a little bit different. Maybe you're all of a sudden the trailblazer, because there is no path, but you know you are supposed to go there. That's what I get to do now in many different ways. So the first workshop in the Made for More series is all about that. What goals do you want to hit before 2020? So you don't just like call it a wash of a year, because there are so many people who have made this their most transformative year. No matter how many icky things have happened with their kids, with their jobs, with their spouse, with their money, all of the things that are common that when you're talking to your friends and your neighbors that they're struggling with. It just depends on how you take the information and move with it. And I want to help you move with it. I want to help you create more success, get more results, because you may look at it like, I have a career now, I have a spouse, I have amazing kids, I have my dream home, I have it all, and I still feel like there's more. I want you to be at that workshop, because that's what we get to talk about. What are the things to get there? And then what are ways that I can help you going forward? What are the teachings? What are the concepts? What's the accountability? And how do we bring in intuition? How do we bring in strategy? How do we bring in mindset to get to where you need to go so that your genius is totally unleashed? Because that's possible. The other is not normal. Like, what if it weren't normal? It's very rare to find someone who has their genius figured out and they are totally unleashed in it. They are doing their thing. That is what they were placed on this earth to do. If you look around, talk around, think around, feel around, there's not many of those people. That's who I want to help create more of. I want to bring you from, it's a great life, I've had a great career, things are great, but I know there's more, but I'm not really sure where to go, what to do, and how to do it. That's what this is for. You get to hang with me for a while. And in that, we can uncover some things that may be holding you back, number one. And then we get to create the action steps, the roadmap, to have a bit more clarity on where you're going. So I invite you Tuesday, November 10th at noon. Register. If you can't make it, there's going to be a replay. There's going to be a workbook, so you have some assets to keep with you and you get to continue to learn. So can't wait for you to be there.